Most people still think barndominiums are just fancy sheds with a couch inside, but in 2026, that idea is dead. What you are about to see are 5 real high-end luxury barndominiums that are going toe-to-toe with million-dollar custom homes and winning. We are talking private home theaters, infinity pools, chef kitchens with commercial-grade appliances, spa master suites, and smart home systems that automate almost everything. And here is the part that makes traditional home builders nervous. Owners built some of these for less than what a suburban cookie-cutter house costs per square foot. Stay with me through all 5 homes, because number 4 does something with indoor-outdoor living that I have never seen in any barndo before. And number 5 has a feature that completely changes how we define luxury in metal frame construction. Trust me, you do not want to skip ahead. If you are into alternative housing, barndominiums, or just love seeing jaw-dropping home design, subscribe right now and hit the bell. We drop honest, detailed content on this channel every week, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. Home 1, the Cathedral Great Room Barndominium. This first home is a testament to what happens when an architect takes the barndominium concept seriously. Built in Central Texas on 4 acres, this 4,200 square foot single-story home was completed in early 2026 at a total turnkey cost of $680,000, which works out to roughly $162 per square foot. For comparison, a traditional custom home with this level of finish in the same region would run $220 to $280 per square foot. The moment you walk through the front door, you are hit with it. A cathedral great room with a 22-foot ceiling and exposed structural steel beams painted matte black. The beams do not pretend to be wood. They celebrate what they are, and that honesty is part of what makes this home so striking. The design language in 2026 has shifted to what designers are calling refined rustic, a confident blend of industrial structure and warm, livable finishes, and this home nails it. The kitchen is the centerpiece. We are talking a 15-foot island, which has become the most requested interior feature in barndominium builds this year, according to builder data. The counters are porcelain slabs measuring 5 feet by 10 feet, with minimal grout lines, mimicking the look of natural stone without the staining and maintenance. The appliances are commercial grade, including a 48-inch dual fuel range, a built-in refrigerator column, and a concealed butler's pantry behind a shiplap panel door that keeps the kitchen looking clean and guest-ready at all times. The flooring is wide plank white oak, running continuously through every living area, without a single transition strip. That uninterrupted flow is one of the clearest signals of intentional luxury design. The master suite occupies its own private wing and features a fireplace, private porch access, a walk-in closet with a built-in island, and a bathroom with radiant heated floors, a freestanding soaking tub positioned under a skylight, and a frameless glass rain shower that seats 2. The luxury items making this home exceptional: the 22-foot cathedral ceiling with exposed steel beams, the 15-foot kitchen island with porcelain slab countertops, the butler's pantry hidden behind a feature wall, continuous white oak flooring with 0 transitions, and the private master wing with skylit soaking tub. Estimated build cost, $680,000 total, $162 per square foot turnkey. Now that you have seen what a cathedral ceiling and a chef kitchen can do, wait until you see what home number 2 does with the master bathroom. It completely redefines what a shower can be inside a metal building. Home 2, the Spa and Wellness Barndominium. This home in East Tennessee was built for a couple who wanted their house to function like a private resort. At 3,800 square feet, the total build came in at $720,000, or $189 per square foot. Every dollar of that budget was directed toward the 2 features that define this home: a world-class spa master suite and an indoor wellness wing that most traditional homes simply cannot accommodate. The exterior immediately signals something different. The metal panels are combined with stone veneer accent walls and 12-foot roof overhangs that shade the floor-to-ceiling windows from summer sun while protecting the covered outdoor patio from rain. The covered patio extends the interior flooring material outside through massive sliding glass doors, creating that seamless indoor-outdoor transition that has become a defining feature of high-end 2026 barndominium design. But the real story here is the master bathroom. This space is 650 square feet on its own. You enter through frosted glass pivot doors into a room with heated porcelain tile floors, a 10-foot double vanity with backlit mirrors, a freestanding Japanese soaking tub centered under a skylight, and a wet room shower measuring 8 by 10 feet with 3 rainfall heads, 2 body spray panels, and built-in teak seating. The shower glass is frameless and floor-to-ceiling. There is also a dedicated steam room built into the wet room, separated by a glass wall. The towel warmers are recessed into the wall. Nothing looks cluttered because nothing is cluttered. Adjacent to the master suite sits the wellness wing. This is 900 square feet dedicated entirely to health and recovery. A proper gym with rubber flooring and mirrored walls, a sauna room cedar-lined and capable of seating 6, and a cold plunge room with a custom built-in tub kept at 50 degrees. Most homes this size do not have this kind of dedicated wellness infrastructure. The clear span steel structure made it possible without a single structural column interrupting the layout. The smart home system in this build is fully integrated. Automated blinds track the sun's position throughout the day. Leak detection sensors monitor every plumbing connection. Exterior cameras tie into motion-activated landscape lighting. The HVAC is zoned into 8 separate areas, so the wellness wing stays cooler than the living spaces by default. The luxury items making this home exceptional: the 650 square foot spa master bathroom with steam room, the dedicated wellness wing with sauna and cold plunge, smart home automation with solar tracking blinds, radiant heated floors throughout, and the seamless indoor-outdoor transition through sliding glass walls. Estimated build cost, $720,000 total, $189 per square foot. The next home costs less than this one, but somehow feels more dramatic from the outside. The exterior material combination is something most people have never considered for a Barndominium. Home 3, the refined rustic entertainment Barndominium. This 5,000 square foot home in North Carolina was designed for one primary purpose: entertaining at a level that rivals a private event venue. Total cost came in at $875,000, or $175 per square foot. The owners run a small business from home and wanted a property that could host clients, family, and large gatherings without the house ever feeling strained. The exterior is where this home makes its first bold statement. The builder combined corrugated metal in a fine ribbed profile with horizontal cedar accent boards on the gable ends, stone veneer columns at the entrance, and a standing seam metal roof. The result looks nothing like an agricultural building. It reads as a sophisticated modern estate, and that is the point. Inside, the great room stretches 60 feet without a single column. The ceiling rises to 20 feet at the apex and features tongue and groove pine between the exposed steel beams, creating warmth and acoustic softness that raw metal alone cannot provide. The fireplace is floor-to-ceiling Tennessee fieldstone, 12 feet wide and 8 feet tall. A custom welded steel mantel shelf ties the industrial and natural elements together. The kitchen flows directly into a formal dining room that seats 20 people. A hidden caterer's kitchen behind a barn door panel handles prep work away from guest view, keeping the show kitchen immaculate during events. The wine cellar is climate-controlled at 55 degrees and holds 800 bottles behind a glass wall that is visible from the dining room as a design feature. The home theater seats 14-inch tiered leather recliners with a 170-inch 8K projection screen, Dolby Atmos surround sound, and a dedicated bar alcove. A game room with a full bar, billiards table, and poker area sits adjacent. A guest wing features 3 ensuite bedrooms, each with their own private exterior entrance, making it function as a private bed and breakfast experience for visiting clients. The covered outdoor kitchen and patio area is 1,800 square feet, with a wood-fired pizza oven, built-in grill station, kegerator, beverage refrigeration, and an outdoor fireplace. Outdoor fire pits and ambient lighting extend the entertaining space well into the evening. The luxury items making this home exceptional: the 800-bottle glass wall wine cellar, the 14-seat home theater with Dolby Atmos, the hidden caterer's kitchen, the 3-guest ensuite wing with private entrances, and the 1,800 square foot outdoor entertainment complex. Estimated build cost, $875,000 total, $175 per square foot. 3 homes in, and every one of them has done something remarkable. But home number 4 is the one I kept coming back to during research. What the owners did with the indoor-outdoor connection goes beyond sliding glass doors and covered patios. They essentially erased the boundary between inside and outside in a way that you have to see to fully understand. Home 4. The Indoor-Outdoor Pool Barndominium. This home in Central Florida is 4,600 square feet and cost $980,000 to build, or $213 per square foot. It sits on 8 acres and was designed around a single bold concept: a home where the living room and the pool occupy the same architectural space. The main living wing features a glass wall that is not just floor to ceiling, but 80 feet wide. This wall retracts completely using a pocket system, folding the glass panels into a concealed cavity in the wall. When fully open, the living room, dining room, kitchen, and the pool courtyard become one continuous space. The pool is a 40-foot infinity edge design, positioned so the water appears to flow into the tree line beyond the property. The pool is accessible from the living room without stepping down or stepping outside, because the interior flooring and the pool deck are the same continuous material at the same level. A glass-enclosed pool house sits to one side, containing a changing room, a sauna, a cold plunge, and an outdoor shower. Radiant heating loops run under the covered pool deck so it stays warm barefoot in cooler months. At night, integrated LED lighting changes the pool color, and the landscape lighting adjusts automatically based on time of day. The kitchen in this home is positioned to face the pool, so the cook is never separated from guests, whether they are inside or out. The 15-foot island has a waterfall edge in honed black granite. The appliances include a 60-inch built-in refrigerator, a wine preservation system, and a drawer microwave concealed in the island. The master suite features a private courtyard garden, enclosed by a steel and glass wall, accessible through a pivot door directly from the bedroom. The courtyard contains a private outdoor shower, a daybed, and mature plantings, creating complete privacy. The smart home system controls the glass wall retraction, pool temperature, lighting zones, security cameras, irrigation, and HVAC from a single app. A whole home generator ensures zero interruption during Florida storm season. The luxury items making this home exceptional: the 80-foot retractable glass wall erasing the indoor-outdoor boundary, the infinity pool accessible directly from the living room, the private master courtyard with outdoor shower, the whole home smart automation, including the glass wall and pool systems, and the radiant heated pool deck for year-round barefoot comfort. Estimated build cost, $980,000 total, $213 per square foot. 4 homes down, and this final one is the most unexpected of all. It does not have the biggest pool or the largest theater. What it has is a feature so rare and so thoughtfully executed that it made several design publications when it was completed, and it costs less than the last 2 homes we toured. Home 5, the sustainable luxury Barndominium. This home in the Texas Hill Country is 3,600 square feet, built for $648,000, or $180 per square foot. It is the only home on this tour that generates more energy than it consumes, and it looks spectacular doing it. The exterior features flush-mounted solar panels integrated directly into the standing seam metal roof panels. There are no visible panel gaps, no mismatched colors, no industrial-looking mounts. From the road, the roof simply looks like a dark charcoal metal surface. Underneath, 28 kilowatt-hours of solar capacity feed a whole home battery storage system. The owners have had a zero electricity bill for 14 consecutive months since completion, and routinely sell power back to the grid. Inside, the home is a masterclass in what the design world now calls warm industrial luxury. The structural steel is left exposed and powder-coated in a warm charcoal tone. The ceilings feature reclaimed oak tongue-and-groove panels between the beams. The floors are polished concrete with a warm charcoal tint, sealed with a penetrating finish that feels silky underfoot. Radiant heating runs under the entire slab so the concrete floors never feel cold. The kitchen features a 12-foot concrete island cast in place, hand-troweled with a slightly imperfect finish that reads as artisanal craftsmanship rather than a production line. The perimeter counters are honed black granite. Custom cabinetry in matte black steel with reclaimed wood fronts runs floor to ceiling. The appliances are fully integrated behind cabinet panels, so the kitchen appears as a series of beautiful furniture pieces rather than an appliance showroom. The master bathroom features a wet room design, with a rain shower open to a private enclosed garden through a glass wall. The soaking tub is freestanding concrete, custom cast to match the kitchen island. The vanity is a single slab of walnut, with undermount sinks and matte black fixtures. A dedicated office wing features acoustic wall panels covered in fabric, a built-in library wall, and a separate exterior entrance for clients. A 3-car garage with epoxy floors and built-in cabinetry for tools completes the property. The cistern system collects and filters rainwater for all landscape irrigation. A gray water recycling system handles laundry and sink water. A high-efficiency well pump serves the home. The owners estimate their monthly operating costs for water, power, and heating combined are under $80. The luxury items making this home exceptional: the fully integrated invisible solar roof generating enough power to sell back to the grid, radiant heated polished concrete floors throughout, the custom cast concrete kitchen island and soaking tub, the acoustic home office with private client entrance, and monthly operating costs under $80 for all utilities combined. Estimated build cost, $680 per square foot. Final thoughts and wrap-up. 5 homes. 5 completely different visions of what luxury inside a metal building looks like in 2026. And here is what ties them all together. None of these owners compromised on quality. They simply chose a structural system that gave them more interior square footage, faster construction, and greater design freedom than a traditional home would have allowed at the same budget. The items that consistently show up in high-end luxury barndominiums right now are cathedral or vaulted ceilings above 18 feet, commercial-grade chef kitchens with 12 to 15-foot islands, spa master bathrooms with steam and rainfall systems, radiant heated floors, smart home automation, seamless indoor-outdoor living with retractable glass walls, dedicated wellness or fitness wings, and integrated solar with battery backup. What is honest about all of this is that the barndominium structure itself is not the luxury. The structure is the platform. The steel frame gives you the clear span space, the speed of construction, and the lower structural cost that frees up budget for the things that actually create that high-end experience. The finishes, the systems, the thoughtful design. If any of these homes sparked an idea for your own build, drop it in the comments. I read everything, and I love hearing what people are planning. And if you are comparing barndominium builds at different price points, we have done a full honest breakdown on that in another video on this channel. The link is in the description. Hit subscribe if you have not already. This channel is dedicated to giving you honest, detailed content on alternative housing and barndominium builds without the fluff. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.